Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for Bob in Ohio on this first-gen Stryker SR-955HP. Bob, this one had the FQP 13N10s. We placed the three at blown. That's the three. Some call it a driver and two finals. Some call it three finals and the driver's on the side. But we placed some three finals with the ERF 2030 pluses for durability, and picked up a little power along the way. Voltage regulator upgrade, and our tune alignment. So let's just get right to it, Bob. 50-watt slug. It's actually 1 watt all the way down, 16 all the way up, and I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 50 watts in the corner, 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello. 110 PEP. Bob, this will work out great. What you're going to do with it, and hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.